The world of electronic product design is getting more and more complex as customers integrate more and more wireless technologies. And at Taoglas, it's important that we don't just solve the engineering challenge, but also give that end-to-end customer solution when it comes to an antenna or an RF component. We have a sales team that answers queries and visits customers and comes up with suggestions. We have customer service that deals with all the queries a customer would have, how to buy, how to order. We have finance teams in each region, and we have a global team that supports the customer all the way from the concept to ongoing delivery. In our production facilities, we do 100% testing, so customers have that peace of mind.
We have offices in the US, Ireland, in Taiwan, in India, where we actually invest heavily in engineering and test equipment, and we always have the state-of-the-art test equipment and expertise in-house. Our key strategy here is to be close to customers. We talk to the customer on a timely manner. We think always how we're going to solve the problem as quickly as possible. We use the simulation tools, we do local prototyping, we build, we test. We give live updates to customers on integration, on antenna performances, certification support, etc., ensuring they get all what they need in least amount of time.
And what I love about our engineering team is that we never give up. When we take on a project, that 100% dedication is there, and we don't stop until we get the solution. Our engineering team is always available to help customers, always available to do calls, support our sales team, answer any questions customer service have, and I think that's reflected really well in our product lineup and in our brochure, and on our website you can see we cover a lot of questions that customers have asked us over the years, because the challenges are often transferred from each project. Whatever problems you have on your project, we've probably already covered it. But what I love is that there's not one project that we've ever quit on. We never give up.
We can have engineers working on the same project across 3 different regions. So by the time the customer asks us the question, the next day when they come back online, they have something ready waiting for them. We always suggest our customers to come and consult with us as early as possible. We are here to help them. We are here to try and define their challenge, what antenna to use, how to integrate it, do they need a custom solution, what is the right antenna manufacturing technology to use. All that is really crucial to define as early as possible. Also understanding their certification requirement. The challenges usually customers have is not having full awareness of the complexity of RF and antenna solutions, but we have the facility and the expertise to help customers defining what they want and put them on the right path.